You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly the name of this city in Georgia, the country of Georgia. This is in fact the capital city of Georgia. And if you want to learn more names of capital cities, pronunciations, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Local Georgian pronunciation: Tbilisi. Tbilisi in English, therefore it is pronounced quite similarly as Tbilisi. Tbilisi. That's pretty straightforward. Tbilisi, English pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.